So recently I have created a video that these are the top 10 rules you can apply if you have SAS, R and Python software knowledge. After that, what happened? Some students have commented in the comment section, sir, SAS vacancies are not there, or SAS market is low, or when the vacancy is gonna come back, or when the opening is gonna happen. So after seeing that comment, it was, I think I have seen that comment on Sunday. I thought like, okay, let me create a video because I have something to answer about that. Someone connected me this month only, and he told me that, sir, I got two interviews, MedPace and another was, I think, Pfizer or some company was there. I'll attach the screenshot of that message, okay? I don't remember the another company name. And he had a conversation with me, sir, I cleared most of the round, but I failed in some of the scenario-based questions. And somehow, I performed well, but somehow like I didn't got selected or XYZ reason. So he asked me indirectly a favor to me. If on our YouTube channel, if you create more videos related to, questions, solving interview questions, so that gonna be very good. So I thought, okay, and immediately, our recent video, which is already in editing, that is going to be uploaded most probably tomorrow. If we are uploading this video today, then that questions video, scenario-based questions video gonna be uploaded tomorrow. So then I took some time, but I created some questions and that we'll be uploading along with the answer, explanation, everything. So he told me, and this was the conversation between me and him, I think it's been 10 days, 10 or 15 days max. So he told me he got two interviews and somehow he was facing that he could have done better in the scenario based question. I got to know two things from him, that is like I need to make more content over the questions or scenario based questions for freshers especially. And second thing, there were these two interviews which even I was not knowing. Even I have uploaded within last 20 days, I have uploaded 2 or 3 videos related to opening. I think one was Pfizer, another was Fortria. And I think third company for which I was unable to make video, that was for CDM role in IQVIA or Amazon. So if I see in a span of 20 to 30 days, 4 to 5 companies minimum, as per my knowledge, they have taken interview. Now you can ask me a question, sir, if you know about these vacancies that 5 companies have taken interview, why don't you tell us on internet so that we can get an idea, and that too before the when the opening is happening, before the opening is getting closed. So see guys, sometimes I am getting aware about the openings before, so in that case I am making a video and uploading on YouTube as well. But sometimes I am getting aware with some students only. They can be my student or some other student, and they tell me, sir, I got this interview and somehow it worked or it didn't work. Okay. So in those cases, guys, like I was not aware, right? In that case, let's suppose if the interview happened and then the student is telling me. So now coming to answering your question, the people who have asked me in the comment section, sir, the vacancy is low, or when the opening is gonna be. Guys, if you are not getting interview, it doesn't mean the openings are not there. So someone is already getting the interview, someone is cracking the interview, and someone is joining the company. Okay, so we need to make somehow better, like how we can get to aware about the interviews, or what is something else you can do better. And yes, of course guys, we all know not everyone gonna get interview at the same time. Some people gonna get, let's suppose in every 3 to 4 months hirings are happening. So some people gonna get interview at this time, and some people might get after 2-3 months, some people might get after that, and some people will get selected. And this is how it happens, right? That's why within this journey you need to maintain patience. So yeah, I'll attach the screenshot and details of whatever we have discussed, the chat between me and that guy. Even I asked him to share the question which has been asked in the MedPace and another interview. So he has shared me the question as well. And and I'll attach the openings video link as well, which I have posted on YouTube. So what's the purpose of today's video? To make you aware, be confident, don't get demotivated that you are not getting the interview, then everything is like have been stopped. Things are not happening. Okay, and that's all, guys. That's all. Thank you, everyone, and bye bye, everyone.